Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you the Victorinox timekeeper. I got two of them. One is still in the box and the other one came without the box. I got them from eBay. They don't make them anymore. They quit producing these knives in 2007, but you can still find them on eBay. I will put the link in the description if you're interested. You can. They are not. They are rare, but not that rare. Often there are a few of these knives available on eBay, and they sell for around $60 to $200. Kind of depends on how good the knife is looking, if there are any scratches, etc. If it comes with the box. And the special thing about this knife is the clock. It's a quartz clock. And other than that, they are just Salidor scales. They're not much thicker. A little bit. They seem to be a little bit thicker than the original scales. And it comes with a toothpick and a ball pen on the back side. And another I have seen some of these knives that had a file on this baggage carry hook, but this knife doesn't seem to have this. This is another one. And you can have them both with Roman numerals or just regular. And these are both with Roman. Other than that, it's just a normal Spartan. They also sell these in the Swiss Champ version, which is called the Super Timer, and this one is called the Timekeeper. They are pretty valuable for collectors. I know a lot of collectors that like this model because of the special feature of the clock. But I think this is more a knife to maybe carry with a suit or something like that. I wouldn't use it as a beater knife to fix things with. This is the model number, I think. I don't know how much they did cost original. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you want one of these, check it out on eBay. I'll put the link in the description. And by the way, to remove the batteries, you have to do it with this small corkscrew screwdriver. You just insert it here and then the clock will come off and you can change the batteries. Anyway, thanks for watching, have a good day, bye.